than they did last year, and with the recent fall in interest rates, buyers and sellers remain engaged in the market despite the time of year when things naturally slow due to the holidays. It's Friday, December 22nd, 2023. This is your weekly Maryland Market Minute. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates to you every Friday so you can stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. So the market appears to continue strongly in Maryland with days until contracts dropping. Less waiting time until a contract, and a good thing for sellers on the market right now. Depending on where you live, inventory may be rising or still struggling. Since real estate is local, it's very important that you understand the market at the micro level instead of at the national level. Right now, Maryland is still performing well, and overall, 431 homes are coming soon. Again, this is fewer than last week. 1,210 homes hit the market and down again week over week. 492 went under contract while 688 moved to pending, both down week over week. 1,250 sold at 100% list to sold ratio and under contract in 15 days, remaining consistent week over week. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Easton for $5,375,000. There are 2,572 rentals available, priced at $23.95 per month, remaining fairly consistent week to week. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, December 22nd, 2023. We will be closed Monday for the Christmas holiday. Here's wishing you and yours a very Merry holiday. See you next week.